So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to trim a video here on Visme. So once you have Visme opened up, what I want you to do is obviously add a video into your design. So to do that, go to the left-hand side of your screen, press on this data tab, or sorry, the media tab right here between data and theme colors, press on media. Now go to the top and press on videos. Now just for demonstration purposes, we're going to go ahead and add a stock video of business and professions to this. So we're going to go ahead and use this one right here of a bunch of different people talking. I'll make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. Now, if you want to trim the video length, it's fairly straightforward. What I want you to do next is press on the video, go to the top left and press on where it says trim. And when you press on trim, if you were to go to the bottom here, you can actually see the entire video in length. So as you can tell, it's 5 seconds long. And if you want to trim it to make it a little bit shorter, simply just select this bar right here, either on the far right hand side of your screen or the far left hand side of your screen. And then you can drag it a little bit less if you want to make it shorter. You can drag the entire bar from the right to make it a different clip size as well. Whatever the case may be, if you wanted to turn it into a 3-second clip, if we were to go ahead and press on play, just makes it a 3-second clip, so pretty straightforward. But that's how you guys can trim a video or trim video length here in Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.